Hey, Spike. Spike.
That's not your best end, Spike.
Spike, come here, look. Spike,
Find
sit.
Bill.
Here we go. Okay, here we go. Hey, Spike. Spike. Hey, in one of our Facebook groups that we're members of, somebody said, they asked a question, what does it look like in a van when somebody's actually, like, in the van, not, like, all staged to look pretty and stuff. You know, actually, like, when you're using it, how it looks. Well, here's our van, and I'll let Deb take over.
So we're here at Mayport. This is our last day. It's Saturday afternoon, and it's hot outside, so we're inside trying to stay cool. We just returned back to our camping site from a trip into town, specifically to IKEA, because we have some IKEA purchases here. We have a 2-box, actually 3 boxes, one big one on the top and 2 underneath, and that's a 6-drawer dresser that fits nicely into the RV. Wouldn't want it there every day, but we can tolerate it for 24 more hours or so till we get home. So this is our kitchen. This is where our kitchen looks. We have a few hooks over here, some command strip hooks, and we hang some things. My purse, Spike's leash. We have some little plastic and various plastic containers that are museum puttied to the countertop, so we can keep our toothbrushes in a plastic bag there, and hand sanitizer and flashlights, Bucky's cup, things like that. And we can also set our dehumidifier in here when we're on the road. This is a dehumidifier, so while we're parked, we run it. We're trying this out to see if it makes it more comfortable in the van. It will certainly remove some of the humidity, which is probably not good for your interior to have it humid. So we're going to do that and see how it goes. We just started using it. And another container, museum puttied, and another one. Here's something we got for camping. Really kind of nifty from, this came from Aldi.
Spike doesn't like it.
Yeah, but I love it because when you're camping, you see flies come to bother you quite often. So you can put your food under it and all the flies will stay away because it scares them. And yesterday, I don't know why, but yesterday we had about at least a dozen flies just waiting, swarming around, waiting to come in. I don't know if it's because we're under these date palm trees and maybe the fruit attracts the flies on the trees. But fruit attracts the flies on the trees. How about the flies are attracted to the fruit on the trees?
Yeah.
So anyway, this is handy.
It's a pretty neat little thing.
Yeah, because you can like be cooking, leave this running, and you can step away from it and not have to be concerned about flies hitting it. So that's a really good thing to have when camping.
And also your mat to protect the stove.
Yep, it's from IKEA. It's 2 dish drying mats sewn together with some plastic cutting boards inserted in the middle, and it stays in place and it protects it. What else is interesting?
Little command strip hooks up on the wall here to hang stuff on.
Yeah.
And then our anything baskets to store just stuff in. Look, hand sanitizer, yeah.
We like microfiber, small microfiber towels that you can get at Walmart or Costco. I use them as dish drying, or I even use them, the smaller ones, as washcloths.
Yeah, so little loops on them, you can hang them on the hook.
Yeah, there's a loop on this one, and some Velcro, so that it doesn't hang down too low. You can have it up and out of the way. There it is when you need it.
Yeah. And then a little extra smoke detector up there that I added to the vent. A little round thing up there. Show the smoke detector, touch it so I can see it.
Oh, right here.
Right there, yeah.
Smoke
Added that.
Van sized.
And then we got our extra little anything basket there. And Deb's got one here. And
y'all have probably seen, but the curtains. We made curtains. It keeps the sun out and the heat out. So,
every little bit of heat you keep out is good.
being an old night shift worker, I like to sleep a little bit late, so it keeps the sun out in the morning.
Here's the camera.
And what else can we show you?
Here's
our refrigerator. Oh, this is the way Gardner looks sitting on the couch, and
but
normally
this is a typical me. I'm sitting on the couch with my cell phone. Yeah.
And I'm usually sitting there right to his right.
And Foxy.
Spike has a lot of toys. There's Foxy and Goosey, right, Spike? Goosey, there's Goosey. And Spike knows that he's on camera, so he's just playing it very low key.
Yeah. And you want to show the refrigerator?
Yeah, here's the refrigerator. Let's see. Be careful, Spike, something might fall out on you. I don't know. Okay. A lot of sparkling water, some yogurt, some eggs. Yogurt. Celery and cream cheese. A lot of creamers for the coffee. Here's something I like a lot to show you, come to thinking of coffee. And this may be something you've seen already, but this is our little coffee pot. Isn't that great? That's a very small 1-cup coffee maker. You use Keurig type cups, and it is a workhorse. We've never had a problem. In fact, we've used it in elevations, above 7,000 feet?
Yeah, it didn't work great, but it worked. It made coffee.
Yeah, because the boiling temperature is different. So,
yeah, we were in a spot where it boiled, I think, at 200, 199 or something.
And this probably heats it to 212. So, at a higher altitude, a lot of the water boils away. So, yeah, but it did its best. It didn't let us down. So that's nice, the coffee pot. And here's the way our bathroom rolls. Now we're at a campground, a really nice bathrooms, very nice showers, toilets, and a nice laundry. So we have not showered in here on this trip, but we're accustomed to showering in here. Mm-hmm. We do it.
Yeah.
But if you got one across the little walkway here,
yeah, 30,
why use it?
40 foot, well, it may be 70 foot away.
At the most. We're about, here it is, I'll show you out the window. That green door is the ladies' room, so that's how close I am to the shower. So we haven't showered in the van this trip, but we'll show you what it looks like in here. There is something that I can't leave home without, and that is a flexible clothing basket, laundry basket. So for the dirty clothes in the back, in the front I keep a medium-sized kitchen trash can, and that's where I keep my trash. I make much too much trash to try and fit it in the drawer there where we're keeping our coffee pot.
Yeah, coffee pot's nice.
Yeah. And if you want to use the shower, all you have to do is just take the laundry basket out. And this is something we do also to protect things, is there's a little soft white bath mat there, so that when it's kind of dirty, because that's what keeps our floor in pretty clean condition in the shower, because we have that soft rubber-backed bath mat to protect it. And there's our microfiber collection for washcloths. And we use microfiber bath towels. And we put some more command hooks up in the bathroom. And I sewed extra loops onto the microfiber bath towels. And we hang them up right here. Now, you can also pull it up again, and keep it out of the way more. Some people have commented to me that they don't like the towels hanging here, but that works for us. It may not work for everyone, because, and see here, this is where this hook actually came with the van, and we added these two more. But we keep 3 towels here, and works great for us. So that's the bathroom. And up front, almost up front, behind the driver's seat, this is our curtain that attaches across the top here on these magnets between the cab and the RV part. And say we didn't have this big window screen on the front like we do today, normally we don't have that on. So that gives us the curtain there that hooks up on these magnets, gives us privacy and keeps the light out in the morning. We just slide the seats forward, which they're not slid forward yet today, because we've only been home a little bit. But that's how it works. And there we keep Spike's dishes there. keep extra drinking water over there. And some more extra hooks up there. And that's pretty much it. Can you think of anything, Spike? Nope. Okay, Spike's good. Your guard, you want to finish the video?
Okay, well. Alright, well.
So this is what we look like
This is it.
when we're sitting around in the van.
And my sticker collection, too.
Yeah.
Got a few
Yeah.
stickers here.
What are we going to do? Soon we're just going to have to start layering them on top.
Stick them on the glass windows or something. Or lay them or
Yeah.
something. I still got the freezer.
I hate to put them here.
I know.
So pretty and clean and neat.
Yeah. Well, anyway, that's our van, and how it looks like when we're out just crossing around the country in it. And
So we're not always out doing something. We sit in here a lot too. I find it very comfortable.
yeah, just come to watch the television and.
Yeah. There's a great on the antenna here in Jacksonville. You can get a great old movies channel here, so we've been watching some old movies.
Yeah. Well, if you got any questions, just leave a comment. And this is our version of van life.
A day in the life.
A day in the life of the van. Yep. So the only thing different now than before is we have face masks and we have hand sanitizers. But other than that, it's just the way it would have looked 2 years ago.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it's pretty much the same. I don't think we've changed much, have we?
no.
Sometimes we bring more, sometimes we bring less. We keep this is something I didn't mention. Let me show everybody this. Okay, this is a good idea that we came up with, is we roll up the mat with these stretchy Velcro ties, and we attach it to the handle on the rear side handle. What started that was we were going to see our daughter, and we had a large rug that we were going to take to her. And I said, hey, let's roll it up and stand it right here. And actually, that's a great place to use for some storage. If you have anything you need to roll up or anything like that, mats, window blinds, it's a good place. That's it. So we'll come up with some other videos as we think of them, but this is pretty much what it looks like inside on a average day. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get back to playing some games on my phone and
Walking Spike.
yeah, I think Spike and I haven't mentioned this before because I didn't want to get him too excited too soon, but we're going to take a walk down to the beach. Spike, that's where the water meets the land here on Earth. It's a pretty special place, and we're going to get some more shells so that we can take them home and scatter them around
Our dump station.
yeah, beautify it.
We have crushed marble at our dump station, so we're gonna put some more seashells.
Yeah, so Spike's going to go help me pick up shells. Yep. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day. Go see America.
It's a great place.
I love it.
Bye.